to say that operations like these are costly is more or less saying the obvious. They are very costly, absolutely. But even more costly is allowing a situation to continue the way it was without doing anything about it. That is tens of times more costly than the operations themselves. In fact, allowing that situation to continue costs more lives, more money lost, a whole future lost, really, in terms of development, if you allowed a situation like that to continue as was the case before the operations. Africans are capable, and that by working well together, we can find solutions to even our most difficult problems. Nothing should stop us from ensuring the stability, progress, and well-being of the people of our continent.